Get prepared for the most entertaining room tour on YouTube. What's up, y'all? It's Jeff and Pam with you, me and the Sea Travels, bringing you another adventure. This is Balcony Cabin 8132 on the Carnival Pride. Let's start this tour with a look at the bathroom.
You can talk because Jeff overdoes these.
Alright.
Because I don't talk while I'm doing this.
Look at those floors. Wow.
This is that pretty blue. I said that in one of them and he hates it.
Is that pretty blue?
Is that pretty blue?
Life jackets so you don't drown. Coat hangers in case you have nothing.
Honey, this is for you, your entertainment.
More coat hangers in case you have another problem.
Avery doing his commentation.
Shelves in case you have too much shit. With a mirror so you can see how much food you've eaten.
Look at that belly grow.
Yeah, look at that baby. Drawers, another shit. Hair dryer for the non-ball people. Bigger drawer for the bigger shower. Nice vanity mirror in case you're vain. And look at all the water.
Go, good lord.
Oh.
Oh, hey, they put 4 in here. That's weird.
Yeah, I know. I think I'm a thirsty bitch or something.
Hey guys, we thank you for watching. Be sure to check out one of these videos and we'll catch you next time as we go cruising through life one port at a time.